guys, welcome to Trendy Unboxing. Today we are going to see a comparison video of Patanjali Dant Kanti toothpaste and Patanjali Dant Kanti Manjan. Before starting with the review, let's know about little information about Patanjali. Patanjali Ayurved Limited is the fastest growing FMCG company in the country. The products offered by company are in personal care and food segments including baby care and beauty products. Currently, it has around 450 different kinds of product and it also manufactures over 300 medicines for the treatment of a range of body alignment. The company claims that all its products are made from natural components and Ayurveda. Patanjali's Dant Kanti, Ghee, Kesh Kanti, herbal bath soap and honey are some of the best selling products which have propelled the growth of this company. The reason for the success of company are twofold. One is the shift in the lifestyle of the Indian consumers towards using more natural and Ayurvedic products. The second reason is that the Patanjali products are significantly less expensive than other personal care and food products in the market. So, without wasting any time, let's start with the review. First, let us speak about Patanjali Dant Kanti toothpaste. Patanjali Dant Kanti natural toothpaste is a herbal toothpaste containing herbs and Ayurvedic ingredients and essential oils. And here on the toothpaste they have given that it tightens gum, fights germs, gives a long life to teeth. Here you will able to see a picture of some herbs. If I want to speak about Patanjali Dant Kanti Manjan, then packaging is not that much attractive, but it's quite simple and you will able to see the herbs which they have used over here like haldi, mulethi, neem, avla, cloves, cinnamon sticks and so on. Here they have given it consists of 25 priceless herbs. Now let's talk about the herbs which they have used in the toothpaste. Akarkara, neem, babul, tomar, pudina, long, pipli, vajradanti, bakul, vidang, haldi, pilu, Majufal. These are the all Ayurvedic medicines used in this paste, and even they have used base material that is calcium carbonate base and preservatives. If I want to speak about Dant Kanti Manjan, then they have used over here neem, vajradanti, bakul, harad, vidang, babul, pilu, tomar, pudina satu, long, haldi, peepal, akarkara, dalchini, mulethi, khatir, apamar, adrak, badi ilaichi, kali mirch, ajwain, kasni, स्फटिंग भस्म, सेंधा नमक, dhamasha, sodium benzoate. So over here they have used more herbs as compared to this toothpaste. In the Patanjali Dant Kanti Manjan, they have not used any preservatives. If I want to speak about the net weight of this Patanjali toothpaste, then net weight is 200 grams and 100 grams. The cost of this Patanjali toothpaste is 85 rupees. You will able to see over here, and the cost of this manjan is 90 rupees. For the expiry date, they have given that 18 months from the date of manufacturing. And on this munchkin, they have given the same thing, 18 months from the date of manufacturing. If you are suffering from severe toothache or any tooth problem, then I suggest you to use this munchkin, as it is much more effective than this Patanjali Dant Kanti toothpaste. The major difference between both this product is that once you finished with this product, you can reuse this bottle, but once you have finished with this toothpaste tube, then you have to put it in a dustbin. That's all for today, guys. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit like button. Thank you.